Oh my gosh, they're all showing off right now. They're literally all showing off right now for you guys. For instance, I'll take a little bit of this and I'll show you kind of what I want to do. Ooh, that feels good! This footage is so sick. I could have got my hand bit off. Wow, what an experience. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. I need a haircut. My hair is absolutely crazy. It is a beautiful day out here in Florida. We actually just got back from fishing. If you are a PC member, you get to see that video. It was awesome. We caught snook, sheep's head, all sorts of stuff. If you guys do want to become a member and see exclusive content, the link is right down below. Just click join and you get exclusive content, live streams, and so much more. PC members know what's up. You'll see all the members down below have little badges next to their name in the comments as well. Today is a special day. We're swimming with the fish. Big old peacock, what's up, bud? Before we get started with today's video and jump in with the fish, we have a sponsor for today's video. Stay tuned, because right after this, we're going swimming. Today's video is sponsored by API. API has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. Today on my shelf full of API products, we're gonna be talking about the Pond Master Test Kit right here. Besides the test kits right here, which there's many of them, API has fish medications, water conditioners, and nutritional products to help your fish stay as healthy as possible. Let's take a stroll over to the big old 5,500-gallon pond. So awesome. We got a peacock bass in the back. Albino iridescent coming by to say what's up. When you have ponds or aquariums, which many of in this building as well, you want to always test your water. pH, ammonia, nitrates, everything you could think of is good. Pop the top off here. Let me actually come up here. First things first, pull this little piece of paper out because we're gonna need this in a second. Today we're gonna be testing the pH. You've seen me use this in the past when the fish were all in the front pond, the 3,600 gallon. Test kits have saved me many, many times, let's just say that. And it's so cool because it literally tells you exactly how to do it. Add 5 drops. All the instructions are right on the bottles. Yep, right there. Pop this top off. We are right at that line. Opening the top and putting 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And shake it up. And as you can see, we are right at like a maybe a little over an 8. And since today was only pH testing, we are good to go. If you guys own an aquarium or a pond, you need this in your inventory, I tell ya. The link is gonna be right down below to get it right now, and also at any local pet store, they'll most likely have your selection of API products. Big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. You know I've been working with them for years now. That's why I literally have a wall of their stuff inside the fish building. These cichlids are a whole different breed now, I swear. They just go absolutely bonkers when you put food in there. Look at them, like little flicking bait fish. Our front toast is right there. I see you, buddy. We are here at the 5,500 gallon y'all know and love, and I'm finally swimming with the monsters. We're probably gonna do another swimming with video at some point when I get more fish in this, but I gotta jump in with my fish. Swimming with all my giant predator fish, having this see-through window on this pond, it just takes it to a whole nother level of beauty. Truthfully, having a window right there, you see so much more of your fish. It's unbelievable. Sitting on the couch right here, you know, relaxing, chilling, look over, bam. Like, how crazy is that? And as well as our cichlids right here at the see-through cichlid pond. I mean, this place is just coming together. Oh my gosh, they're all showing off right now. They're literally all showing off right now for you guys. Both peacocks are there, all Oscars are there. You know what it is though, is they're all waiting for me to feed. It's incredible, it's incredible. And the trees are probably just like 2 weeks out. Got the trees coming for right here. All of this stuff arrived. All the artificial moss, I got like a bunch of different kinds of it. This is like some greener stuff right here. Very green moss. For instance, I'll take a little bit of this and I'll show you kind of what I want to do. Add a little bit of moss in the corner of the dock and down the side and around the windows. Give it a little jungly theme once the trees come in. I got another aerator, active carbon for the filter that I still have yet to set up, and I've been saying I'm gonna set up for the last week. It's been crazy. This right here, this is active carbon. I literally just bought it. It's to go in our separate filter. We've got that filter, but I have a trash can one I'm gonna set up with active carbon and filter floss. God, look at it from up here. I'm about to jump in right there. But this active carbon right here is gonna be in the garbage can filter, and just this bag is over $500. When I bought this, I did not know active carbon was that much money. I had no idea. And I'm saying that price because I truthfully did not know that a bag of carbon could be that much money. I don't know, whatever. I did get 50% off from Koi Smart. Big shout out to Koi Smart for always hooking it up throughout this entire pond project, because it's a very expensive one. Appreciate you, Johnny. Thank you so much, man. Anyway, I think it's about time we jump up here, grab our goggles, and go snorkeling, huh? It's kind of cold in there, man. Obviously the fish are good, but it's about 72 degrees in that water. And don't worry, I did rinse off in the shower prior to this. Oh, ooh, that feels good. I feel good, boy. What do you guys say? We go swimming with our fish. The coloration on some of these fish is absolutely insane. For instance, the tiger shovelnose, his colors are nutty in the water. Like, I know from out of the water it looks good too, but being with all my fish is truly a different feeling. Like, I'm down there with the platinums, the red tail, everything. Iridescent catfish are going around me. Pretty surreal being down there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Let's go back in. This footage is so sick. I just saw the one-eyed hybrid. It literally has one eye. That is so insane to me. Like, all the fish just vibing in here. They live a good life. This thing is huge. This is like a SeaWorld aquarium. That carp scared the heck out of me. I didn't even see him. I was looking at the platinum red tail and the carp just popped out of the wood. He's blending right in. Alrighty, I'm gonna see you right down here. I wasn't looking. The gar quite literally went into my pocket of my shorts. I could have got my hand bit off. Wow, what an experience. That was honestly so much fun, bro. So much fun. I would do it again. I could have that as like an excursion. People would visit Florida to go do that. Like, that's a whole nother level to be in my backyard. No, it's not even, it doesn't even feel real. That was absolutely awesome, and it will not be the last time I do that, that's for sure. And now let's make sure we don't forget to put this back on, that's for sure. We got an arowana in there, precious arowana we would not want to see on the ground in the morning. Just hook it on these right there, boom, boom. There we go, good to go. So a couple things I want to do, actually two things, which is a couple actually, yes, okay. I got all the filter floss right here. I mean, I am prepared. I'm ready to go. I just haven't had the second chance to get this done. That right there is the trash can. I'm gonna have it elevated up here. Filter floss and active carbon just for extra filtration until our big baby gill of a filter comes in. This is actually all just temporary. That filtration that's temporarily being used for the 5,500 gallon is actually gonna be used in the pond we build over there. Whether that's saltwater or freshwater, only the future will know, but I know. This right here though, on a real note, is what we're gonna set up probably very, very shortly. And it's kicking I mean, the pond is clear. You just saw me inside of it. This thing is keeping this pond clean. But I had already bought a drum filter from Predatory Fins Rodrigo up in New York. They gotta actually ship it down here and fly down next month, January, to put the automatic water changing drum filter that broke half my bank account filter into this pond. Then the water will be extremely, extremely over-filtrated here, which you never could, that shouldn't even be a word, because the more filtration, the better. And then that filter will go over there. And then, yeah. The Amazon corner is coming to life though. It looks absolutely amazing, especially like when you're just looking at the whole thing. Like, wow. Just wow. Our grout tank is over there with the albino arowana, Grami. They're all out right now, actually. They're all showing themselves. Hi, everyone. Trees are gonna be right there. Tree right there. Burn deck, I think. I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly yet. The turtle corner has a deck now. If you guys didn't see this, roll the clip. Trying to set up the time lapse here, but Hector decided to. Hector absolutely killed this. We got a deck over here as well. Things are getting done in the fish building, like for real, for real. Baby turtles. We got all the platies we bought in the last video right here, and let me tell you, I'm in love with them. I love them so much. They're hopefully gonna have a bunch of babies in here. Cornelius the frog ate another mouse this morning. Mata Mata is hiding. If you can see, wow, this water is so warm. See the Mata Mata down there? Oh yeah, he's absolutely obliterated the population of live fish in here that we put. He eats them all. There's a couple right there, you see them? There's a couple of them left. You are about ready to go back. Oh my goodness, you're about ready to go back outside there, fella. It's still pretty cold, 65 degrees outside right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit longer when Florida gets back to normal. That snapping turtle will go back out. Thank you so much for watching, swimming with all of my monster predatory fish. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. While you're down there, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you right back here in the next one. It's gonna be in the new year. Maybe, no, I'm gonna post tomorrow actually, so it won't be the new year, but Happy New Year, everyone. I love you. Peace.